Here I have LENOVO K6, and today I'm going to show you how to customize your volume panel on this device. So to do this, you will firstly have to download the app Volume Styles from the Play Store. Then you have to open this app, grant tab Start. Then you have to grant accessibility services permissions. And now you can change your volume style. So as you can see right now, like I have the this standard one, but you can also pick another one like this Android 12, iOS, One UI 3, and different kinds of these volume sliders. I very appreciate this emoji one. You can also you have different setting styles, but some settings are like for the paid version of this app, some are for free version. You can customize different features of your volume panel. You can create your own styles, but the easiest way just to pick one of these preset styles, like this emoji one. Very aesthetic. Wow. Super cool. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.